Hello guys and welcome to the Adobe Premiere course. In this video I will show you where from and how to get videos to use in Adobe Premiere. There are two types of videos, the premium and the free ones. So we will start with the free ones. The first website to get free videos from is this one, videos.pexels.com. This website contains a lot of videos that you can use in your projects. And you can download any video from here. You have here popular searches, and if you don't find what you look for, you can use the search box. For example, we'll search for sports, and here we are. We have so many videos to choose from here. You can select the video you like. I click on the video that I want. We take a look at it. And we click on free download to download the video. This is the first website. Now we move on to the second one. It's called pixabay.com and it has over 1.5 million files in it. Same like the other site, we have here the videos. And we have the search box in here. For example, we will look for street. And as you see here, we have many results. You select the video, then you click here on free download to download the video. Now we move on to the third website. It's called vdz.com. But first, if you want to play the video, all you have to do is to play it to see it. Now we move on to the third website. It's called vdz.com. Same thing, we have here many videos and we have the search box to search for specific topics. For example, we will look for laptop. Those videos are just advertisement. These are the results. And in here we have this menu to help you get what you want. As you see here, we have related search so that you can get the result that you want. On to the next website. It's called videvo.net. In here we have the popular menu. You select the video and we download the video like this. So select the topic you like and then you get a lot of videos. We have here both free and paid for videos. As you see, we have here the free ones that have this free symbol on top of them, and we have the paid ones like this. Now to the last site, it's called Cover. It's pretty much the same. We have this menu and we have the search box up here. You click to see the video, then you download it from here. So this is a bunch of the best free websites to get videos from and to use them in your project. Now that's it for the free websites. Now we move to the premium ones. The first one is videohive.net. This website belongs to Envato Markets. As you see here, we have more than 700,000 video effects. You have this menu right here to choose from. Or you can use the search box. In here you get the video and its price. For example, this one is for $20, this one $29, $13, $23, $6, etc. You click on the video to buy it. You can buy it now or add it to the cart and buy it later. You can also download a preview of the file. Now we move to the second site. It's called Shutterstock. In here we have both images and videos, and this is the video section link. In here we have the videos, and up here we have the search box. For example, we will search for sports, and we have different qualities in here. We have HD, 4K, etc. You choose whatever quality you like. Another website is Adobe stock.com. stock.adobe.com. We have here all kinds of files. You can choose videos from here. Then you choose the topic you like and search for it. Another website is called iStockPhoto.com. We go to videos, then we choose the topic we like and we select the video. The last website is called pond5.com. You can use the search box to look for the topic you like. Then you get the videos and the price of each one. All you have to do is search for the topic and you will get the results of the videos. So this is the whole websites, both the free and the paid ones. I will put a Word document which contains the whole websites, and you will find it with the video files. As you see here, we have free websites and the paid websites. So that would be all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.